If the Earth collides with another planet, then the Earth itself will not exist, not only the living things on the Earth. When we say another planet, we should not fear Venus and Mars. Rather, it is the rogue planets that should be feared. Rogue planets are the planets that fly freely through space without surrounding the star. When the planet that was around a star dies or some space object comes and collides with this planet slips away from the star's gravitational force and becomes a rogue planet. All galaxies have many such planets. The preliminary conclusion is that there are more than 5,000 crore rogue planets in our galaxy. But some studies say that there are more rogue planets than stars in our galaxy. Such a planet is more likely to come to our solar system. But the chance of a collision with Earth is low. But if it collides with the Earth, the story of the Earth will end with that. Both the planets will break into pieces. A rogue planet has been discovered 80 light-years from Earth. It has 6 times the mass of Jupiter. Fortunately, it's not coming at us. Such planets are very difficult to detect. Therefore, even if any rogue planet is aimed at the Earth, we will see it only when it comes very close.